Good list though. Definitely saving this post to come back to when I'm looking for something new to watch. Thanks. Interesting list. At least 50% of the mentioned movies aren't horror movies. And should be labeled as premium cat EU people shirt. It's not my favorite medium to digest horror, but I am looking forward to diving into it. Then it's really a nice shirt for all men and women. So you should buy this shirt. Thank you so much. Premium cat EU people shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. The Haunting of Hill House. I saw the first episode and loved it. Never heard of Marianne. Thanks for that. Let me know what you think of THHH. I wish I could recommend more, but it's a small genre right now. This is such a pleasure to read. I'll definitely revisit it, if only to show some friends a premium cat EU people shirt. Silent Hill is one I never reviewed, but I do enjoy it. I'll include it in next year's list. The others that you mentioned are all films that just missed the mark, but I do like. Appreciate your reading.